There is Jason Pitter, 46-35, the defending Class 2 400 champion. He defended his corporate area title in the class with that outstanding 46-35 run.
In lane 4, this is Homer Technical, and DeAndre Downer will lead off for them.
No Amari Williamson in their team. He won Champs Class 1 bronze last year.
And Gregory McFarlane leads off for Excelsior.
Keyshawn Hoffman is in their team. He should be an anchor. He ran the Open 400 earlier today.
Representing the West is Stets in lane 2, and they're being led off by Nathan Hilaire.
They're missing their #1 man as well, Swain Carr.
And sitting pretty in lane 1 is Calabar, and they'll be led off by Derville Jackson.
This might be the closest I've seen Calabar put together a first choice team. Still no Nicoy Bramwell, who has only tried once this season to go up 400 meters. It was at the Camperdown Classic. He stopped at about the 200-meter mark. He's not in their lineup today. We haven't seen him since.
Dwayne Sharp, Dejante Lewis, and Michael St. Michael Willis complete the quartet for Calabar. That's Homo Technical. In lane 4. Bang, sent off. The final event for the 48th staging of the Gibson McCook Relays. Gibson McCook Relays 2026. Even break for the field. Traveling well up top is Edwin Allen with Nicholas Williams. And also from St. George's College is Francisco Williams.
The big story on this first leg is, can Jason Pitter, the Class 2 boy, give Kingston College the lead over the Jamaica College #3, Roger Black?
And it's Jamaica College who are leading by way of the stagger and looking to close on St. George's. Here comes Kingston College now with Pitter. An important opening leg for him and for this KC team. The first changeover is Jamaica College from Kingston College.
Jamaica College gets ahead. There, Roger Black hands over to McCallian Woods, running that second leg as he takes the break and moves towards the inside with the lead for Jamaica College.
McCallian Woods from Trinidad and Tobago won the corporate area title, 46-09. He is the fastest boy in high school in Jamaica this season, and the Trinbagonian is absolutely flying.
Yeah, but JC not out of the woods as yet, as KC is right there and trying to close. So too is Excelsior in the form of DeMarco Bennett. But Jamaica College, to Woods holding on to that lead. So JC continues to lead. KC is right there, and Excelsior.
From a Trinidad and Tobago athlete to a Guyanese athlete, Deshaun Grant on the third leg for Jamaica College. The lead is massive at this stage, and it will take something special for Kingston College through Jordan Taylor or this Excelsior team to get back to Jamaica College, who are absolutely flying.
Yeah, storming is Jamaica College with Deshaun Grant. They come inside the straightaway, and Jamaica College fully in charge and having things their own way as Excelsior goes hunting, and Kingston College as well. Excelsior with DeMarco Bennett.
Amari Robinson is going to be on the anchor leg for Jamaica College, and I don't think anybody is going to catch him.
Ricardo, you had asked before the start of this one, has JC won any of the races this evening? But certainly, they look well on their way to winning this one through the boys 4x400 meters. As Amari Robinson holds the baton for them, he looks very, very focused. Excelsior trying to close, just about 170 meters to go, still Jamaica College.
Corey Bennett and the entire Jamaica College fraternity sending a statement, closing Gibson McCook Relays in the 4x4.
Amari Robinson, can he hold off Excelsior? And they're storming Kingston College. Calabar also trying to get back into it, but no stopping Amari Robinson and the Jamaica College. They come across the line, 0815. The record stays as it's 307.00. Yes, but close going though. Jamaica College getting their first win of the evening, and the last race of the evening, a very special one by this quartet.
Lastly, they like to say in the land of wood and water, Well, that could be a painful last leg for the rest of the field. Jamaica College with one of the fastest times we've ever seen at the Gibson McCook relays, 3:08.20. Guess what? 3:07 record. That's special. If you get that, you know you're in rarefied air. But to go 3:08.20, you know that you're in super form. And this JC team is in super form and will be difficult to beat going forward. And the entire Old Oak Road fraternity has said at the end of Gibson McCook, don't forget about us. We're coming for champs.
Indeed.